Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Blia Fes. I make beauty videos and I really love it if you subscribe to me down below. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to achieve a full face makeup. Keep on watching. I already prepped my skin, and if you'd like to know how I do that, I'll be putting a link in the description. Check it out. Now I'm going to be applying foundation. The first layer of my foundation is done. I'm going to be applying another layer. I want a little bit more coverage. I'll be using this concealer to brighten my under eyes. I'm going back in with that same beauty blender I used on my foundation. Okay, now I'm going to be setting in place. Always remember your neck. I'm using a brown brow pencil. Now I'll be cleaning my brows with a concealer. It's not really necessary to highlight the top of your brows. It does make your brows look more dramatic, but except that's the type of look you're going for. Because I'm doing eyeshadow today, I'm going to be setting my eyelids in place. To blend out with my beauty blender. Into my eyeshadow, I'm going to bake under my eyes so that the powder catches the fallout from my eyeshadow. Going all over my crease with this, be moving back and forth on both eyes. I'll be applying this blue eyeshadow to my lids. I'll be putting this darker blue on the outer corner. I'm going back into the first color I use on my lids to blend out. I'm going to be using this black liner. Blue eyeshadow I used on my outer corner along my waterline. I'll be using this brush to remove the excess powder. I'm going to be bronzing with this palette. I'll be using this. I'm just putting this above my cheekbone. I'm going to be applying a little bit of contour. I'll be using this palette. It will help bring back some shadows. I'm going to use that bronzer brush to blend out. I'm going back into the contour palette to contour my nose. I'm going to blend out with my bronzer brush. Now I'll be applying a little bit of blush to the apples of my cheeks. I'm going to be applying a little bit on the bridge of my nose. I'll be putting a bit on the inner corners of my eye. I'll be lining my lips with this pencil. I'm going in with this nude color. I'm going to put a very tiny bit of gloss over that. Please subscribe and like this video. If you have any questions at all, leave me a comment down below in the comment section. Check out my other videos.